Hello YouTube and hello my friends, welcome back to the channel Footloose Globetrotters. In this video we are going to look at the top box that I have mounted on this motorcycle. I'll show you where I purchased it, how much it costed and how to mount this. It has the mounting plates and all that, so this video is for you. Let's get to the video. I ordered this box on Amazon. It was about $150. I really liked the design of this particular brand. The fit and finish looked premium. It took about a week for it to get delivered. When you open the box, it comes with these backrest pads, couple of reflective strips, the manual on how to install it, and the screws and bolts, and a pair of keys. The box also comes with a mounting plate. As you see, this is the CF Moto top case base. This will not fit the new box that we bought. So I need to remove this first and then put the other plate on and then mount the box. I tried to remove this plate, it simply wouldn't budge. So what I did, I removed these two mounts from here so that I can think of an unconventional way to mount this plate on top of it. Surprisingly, this is mounting properly. So if I mount it in this position, exactly on top of it, it won't move at all, either forward nor backward. I just have to make sure that I put these attachments firmly under it. Alright, after so much of struggle, we managed to put the bolts on these four areas, and you'd laugh at the way we have tightened the screws below. I don't even know if you are able to see it. One here, one right there, and then two are hidden right inside. Right on there, and one over there. Now let's see how the box is mounted. Alright, so this box comes with these backrest pads, one for the base and one for the top. And it has these 3M stickers on the back. You just have to peel it off and stick it. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, it's as simple as this. Now I'm going to do this for the top as well. It comes in 3 pieces. And all I have to do is just fix it like this. So we have the backrest fixed, and it also comes with these 4 reflective strips. You can choose which ones to fix it, and it goes the back of the box. So this is what will face the traffic that comes behind the bike. And I'm choosing to stick these two because it looks like these are better in terms of reflection than these two. Okay. Perfect. Now the box is all set. We can mount it on the bike and take it for a spin. So that's how the bike looks. All set for an adventure. I'm not sure if I would put any side panniers at this point, because I like the bike look this way. Only the tires are road-based tires. Once I thread this with an off-roading tire, I can take this bike anywhere. That's it for the video today, guys. If you are interested in buying this top box, I have left the link below in the description. Go ahead and check it out. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and comment down below what you think about the box on this bike. If you want to follow this journey, go ahead and subscribe to the channel Footloose Globetrotters. Until we meet next time, take care and bye-bye.